Get your TV back under control instantly with the LG Replacement TV Remote Control designed for smooth and fast navigation. A quick, reliable fix for lost or damaged remotes to enjoy your entertainment without interruption. What's in the box? In the box, you find the LG Replacement TV Remote, AAA batteries, and user manual. Specifications. Smart features. Enjoy fast and smooth navigation with quick response buttons that let you control your TV effortlessly. Perfect for browsing channels, settings, and apps with ease. No complicated programming required. Simply insert the batteries and start using the remote instantly with compatible LG TVs. Get one-touch access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and more for faster entertainment access. Supports essential TV functions including power, volume, channels, input selection, menu navigation, and smart features for a complete user experience. How to use. This LG Replacement TV Remote Control features a complete set of buttons designed for easy and convenient use. At the top, it includes a power button along with essential function keys like Info, SAP, and settings for quick access to TV information and configuration. The numeric keypad, 0 to 9, allows direct channel selection, while the list and quick access area provide fast navigation shortcuts. In the center, dedicated volume and channel control pads make adjustments simple, along with mute, search, and TV home buttons for smart navigation. The remote also includes direct streaming shortcuts for apps like Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video, giving instant access to entertainment. Below that, a full directional pad with an OK Select button supports smooth menu browsing, along with back, exit, and guide functions. At the bottom, it features playback controls such as rewind, play, pause, and fast forward, plus colored shortcut buttons for additional TV functions and quick commands. Safety precautions. Want to grab the LG Replacement TV Remote Control from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your LG Replacement TV Remote Control. See you at the next one.